You know what the most popular condiment in America is? It's not ketchup, it's salsa. I'm going to show you a recipe that'll explain just why it's so big. Remove the core from 6 Roma tomatoes or plum tomatoes and slice them in half. Cut 1 white onion into quarters. Remove the stems from 2 to 4 serrano chilies, and remove the seeds too if you want them to be not too hot. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil to a hot, large skillet. Arrange the tomatoes, onion, and chilies on the pan. Cook them for about 15 minutes, using tongs to turn them every few minutes until all the sides are blackened. You don't want them burned, just sort of scorched. 5 minutes before you're done, add 2 cloves of garlic. Again, you don't want the garlic to burn. When the sides are charred, scrape everything into a blender. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add enough water to come up about 1/3 of the way of your vegetables. Process until it reaches the consistency you like. If you want, you can add cilantro. This is full flavored and not too spicy.